Hi everybody, and welcome to another review by smallscalemodels.co.uk, and today we're going to be reviewing the Honda Civic Si, part of the factory fresh range. And yeah, this one's in a nice blue colour. So without further ado, let's get in and review this bad boy. So you can see there we've got some nice chrome multi-spoke alloy wheels. Got some nice skirting down the side there. And we've got the clear glass, but there's no glass in the driver's or the passenger doors on this one. Nice bit of detailing around the wing mirrors, or door mirrors as I should say. And underneath we've got a black base plate with little or very little detailing other than suspension components on the front there. Looking at the back end, and this is where it starts to get interesting, because if I can just get in, we've actually got a Civic sticker on the back. We've got the Honda sticker where the number plate would be as a Hot Wheels logo. So that's nice. The backlights are detailed in on this car. And then we've got the big fat exhaust that comes out on this side here underneath. So yep, and then we can see the back end of the spoiler. So moving over and onto the top, then you can see there we've got a proper sunroof in this, not just part of the casting. And yeah, clear glass as we've already said. So moving to the bonnet, we've got the air scoops on the bonnet which look really good, and again some great detailing on the front. We've got the Honda badge, we've got the grille, we've got the decals as headlights. Great looking front bumper there with the grills and the scoops, the air intakes. So yeah, great bit of detail in there. Door handle on the side as well, so that's a good bit of detailing. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you like. Thank you.